Well, folks, it looks like Donald Trump's lawyers are now lawyering up themselves as part of a possible obstruction of justice probe into both Christina Bobb and Evan Corcoran. Christina Bobb, of course, is the individual who signed the document, sworn to the DOJ, saying we have turned over all of the documents that Trump had down here at Mar-a-Lago, and the document was created by Trump lawyer Evan Corcoran. But just because Corcoran created it doesn't mean that he would be in quite as much trouble as Christina Bobb, as she is the one who signed it, meaning she is the one specifically who swore all those documents were turned over. Although Corcoran did, of course, in conversations with the DOJ later on, tell them that we did turn everything over, so he probably needs to go ahead and get himself a lawyer too. In fact, that's actually what everybody close to him is telling him. It's time for you to get yours too. But Christina Bobb has her lawyer, and she has made it clear to the rest of Donald Trump's team that she is going to cooperate fully with the DOJ in this matter. Here's what they said. She, quote, handed over all documents that are responsive to the subpoena after a diligent search. That is what she signed in that original document. And now she says that they've, quote, made it known to Trump allies that she's willing to cooperate and be interviewed by the Justice Department. So she signs the first document, right? No, nope, totally gave you everything. We have nothing left. I swear that in front of a court. You have it all. And now she's like, okay, well, look, guys, I'm totally going to cooperate with the DOJ. I'm going to talk to them. I'm going to tell them absolutely 100% of everything I know. I'm not even going to try to challenge anything they might come at me with. How much of a reversal is that from literally everybody else in Trump's orbit? And I think that's the part we need to be focusing on, right? Everybody else around Trump, no matter what investigation it's been, whether it's in Georgia, New York, the DOJ, the January 6th committee, all of Trump's closest people and lawyers have straight up said, I'm not cooperating. Nope, you're going to have to subpoena me, and I'm going to challenge the subpoena in court. Christina Bobb immediately rolled over and was like, I've got a lawyer. I'll cooperate. I'll do whatever the hell you want me to do. Let's do this. I'll talk. She knows how serious this is. That is bad news, not just for her, but of course for Donald Trump as well, because if Donald Trump instructed her to lie to the DOJ, then we're looking at additional possible criminal charges for Donald Trump as well. Now, we do not know exactly what happened. We don't know the full event timeline, I guess we could call it, of Evan Corcoran crafting the document. We don't know if Corcoran did know that there were still documents or if he was instructed to create it. Same thing with Christina Bobb. Who was pulling the strings? Why did they do this? Those are questions that an investigation is, of course, going to have to reveal for us. But right now, this is the best we got. Bobb has lawyered up because she knows that if she lied in that court filing, she could be facing obstruction of justice charges. Same thing with Evan Corcoran. I imagine within the coming days, we're going to get reports that he has also hired a lawyer, and things are getting pretty nutty for Donald Trump's entire legal team at this point. You know, it's never good when your own lawyers have to get their own lawyers. But as I've always said, nobody that gets involved with Donald Trump has a happy ending. Ask Michael Cohen, ask Rudy Giuliani, ask John Eastman. All Donald Trump's former lawyers, all of whom are currently facing or did face and went to jail on criminal charges. And now Donald Trump's newest lawyers might suffer the exact same fate. So let that be a lesson out there to any young lawyer thinking you might want to represent Donald Trump one day. If that's your goal in life, go ahead and get your own lawyer now, because he's probably going to make you break the law. One of today's video sponsors is Trade Coffee. Now, I'm one of those people who drinks a lot of coffee, but couldn't tell you exactly what makes a good cup taste so good. All I know is when I get my coffee from Trade Coffee, it's great. So let me tell you a little bit about Trade Coffee. It's a coffee subscription service unlike anything you've tried before, because they partner with top independent roasters to freshly roast and send the best coffees in the country directly to your home on your preferred schedule. Their team of experts do all the work, taste testing hundreds of coffees from across the US every month to curate over 450 exceptional coffees that make the cut. Trade works with a hand-picked and always growing group of over 55 of the nation's best roasters. These are partners that Trade deeply vets around the quality of their product, the way they treat their teams here in the US, and their ethical standards for sourcing their product from around the world at a fair price. The coffee I get from Trade is so good, I can't believe how much I like what they've picked for me here. And their team actually worked with me to create my own custom collection. And if what I got isn't up your alley, then don't worry. Trade will have whatever it is you want. You can shop their most popular coffees by roast or flavor profile, or you can take their coffee quiz and get expertly matched with the coffees you'll love. That's what I did, and it worked out wonderfully. So if you want to support small businesses and brew the best cup of coffee you've ever made at home, it's time to try Trade Coffee. Right now, Trade is offering our viewers a total of $30 off your first order plus free shipping at drinktrade.com/ROF. That's drinktrade.com/ROF for $30 off your subscription to the best coffees in the country.